Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are trying to download the official Windows 10 ISO, you probably noticed that Microsoft website only offers the media creation tool instead of a direct ISO download. But don't worry, in this video I will show you a simple trick that lets you download the Windows 10 ISO directly from Microsoft official server in just a few clicks. For that, first open your favorite web browser and search for Windows 10 download. From the search result, open the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. Once the page loads, you will notice that Microsoft only provides the media creation tool for Windows user. There is no direct ISO download options. But don't worry, we will use a simple trick to make the official website display the direct Windows 10 ISO download links. So for that, press F12 on your keyboard to open the developer tool. If you are using a Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you can also click the three-dot menu, then go to the More Tools and then select Developer Tools. Once Developer Tools open, click the three-dot menu inside Developer Tools, then choose More Tools and then click on Network Condition. Under User Agent, uncheck the Browser Default. And from the list, select any mobile browser such as Chrome on Android mobile. Now refresh the Microsoft download page. After refreshing, you will notice that instead of the media creation tool, Microsoft now shows the Windows 10 ISO download options. Then close the developer tool window. Now click the drop down menu and select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and then click Confirm. Next, choose your preferred language and click Confirm again. Finally, you will see the download links for 64-bit and 32-bit Windows 10. If your PC supports 64-bit, click the 64-bit download link, otherwise choose the 32-bit version. The ISO file will now start downloading directly from Microsoft official server. And just to clarify, this is the same official Windows 10 ISO that you would get through the media creation tool. The only difference is that we are downloading the ISO directly instead of using Microsoft utility. So that's it guys. If you found this short video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.